So people ask one question. So I will start by my Facebook page. How to increase my reach on my Facebook page? Suppose here I can introduce one option called how to set up Instagram ads with a Facebook account. Suppose this is my video. I can promote it through Facebook. Simple. That option is called FB linker. Here existing your YouTube thumbnail is covering to your Facebook. That is called post on your option. Log with your Facebook option. So here just I'm logging with your Facebook. Done. So when add your YouTube link, so automatically you are getting for this option. Next one, you can select your description part, copy. In this, click for submit. In this option call is share button. In this video, before sharing, here Facebook visible by the total 5 option. 6 will be there, but we're using only for 5 option. One is called your timeline, friends timeline, groups, and event, your page and private message. So if you share it for your timeline, that is called here, click for post to Facebook. This is called reach. This is called reach with your large thumbnail. So I'm clicking for share. Select next your friends timeline. Here we'll be sharing for your friends timeline. See this one. Post it. Post your page. Select it. You can select by the group. Group will be select here. The group will be adding on your own group or other group also. Select it. Your group came here. This one. So per day, people asking one question: how many groups we can share? You can share groups are maximum 5 to 7 groups. That is only for accepted groups. Suppose the post is not accepted, remove your existing post. Select it. Very effective thing is called groups, page to page, and your private message. Select here. I'm sharing for page, one page to another page. So select here, post it. Post it. Click for post to Facebook. Last one in a final option of fifth, this is getting reached by more. That is called send by your private messages. Send by your private message. This will be post on here. Just once post reach, you can start your shade box by the private messages. Select it. A last message. We can send at a time multiple peoples. How many peoples? Multiple people. That is called private message. Select it. You can get by here. So here you can using for a number of persons. So here everything will be set by in this person. Once select this person, click for send message. So this is called people reach your contact. They will click, they come into your website or your option. Now will be the showing will be like this. So once post done will be there, the showing will be like here. That is called when posting on your Facebook page. So this page I'm not post. I'll share my page. This is called two advantages. One is called generating for your YouTube backlink, generating for YouTube traffic. So yeah, just refresh. Now I can check here. Is it clear? If you reach or improve your tips of Facebook reach, that only possible by your option is called increase your business of the option. So most affected by your direct upload videos is most affected by your website traffic and YouTube traffic also. Finally, click. They're going to where your YouTube video, getting for backlink for your video and generate for YouTube traffic, generating for your Facebook likes. This is called reach your business for getting for view purpose.